This is a reminder to people to please check if your mics are charged before you record a video, because the whole of the first chunk of this video, my mic was not charged, it was not working, so there is absolutely zero sound. So I'm going to try my best to do a voiceover of what's happening from what I remember, bearing in mind I baked this stuff like at least 2 weeks ago. So I believe at this point I said that this monster tastes like bubblegum. Today we are going to be baking brownies from the Minecraft cookbook. I got that on Amazon, if you're wondering where it's from. Anyway, I remember that I had to go to Tesco's before this to get like chocolate buns because they didn't have any chocolate chips, and I needed to get flour and sugar as well, and eggs. At this point I am chopping up butter to melt in the microwave with the chocolate. And this is me struggling to get the butter off the knife, and then it just proceeds to fling onto the countertop. This is me checking that I've got the right amount of butter and hoping that it looks about the right amount. Also, this is actually kind of funny watching this with no audio because I have no clue what's happening even though I filmed this. Also, I got more butter and yet again I proceeded to fling it onto the countertop. Here I'm holding the butter. Don't know why I'm holding the butter. Must be trying to work out what I'm trying to do. Oh, it goes into another bowl. A second bowl. Yay. Preheating the oven. Yes, make sure you do that. Right, now the batter goes into the microwave for it to melt. The chocolate. I do love some Cadbury's chocolate. It smells wonderful. I remember the whole time of making I was constantly saying it smelled like Cadbury's World, which made a lot of sense because I was using Cadbury's chocolate. Anyway, we've measured that out, and I remember saying that I did not have enough, which I was sad about because I wanted to eat the chocolate, but I could not. Alright, we're now back with the butter from the microwave, and in goes the chocolate. Yummy. And now I've got a spoon, because I'm stirring it together. I'm guessing I was to be melting the chocolate or something. I believe at this point I put it back into the microwave to melt further. Now it's vanilla extract time. I do love myself some good vanilla extract. I do like it, very yummy. I will eat a whole bottle of vanilla extract if you let me. Although if I am to eat vanilla extract, it has to be that specific vanilla extract. And next is sugar. I believe I was supposed to use brown sugar, but they did not have any brown sugar in Tesco's. Tesco's let me down yet again, so I have to use caster sugar. Measuring it out. And then in that goes. And why did my face go like that, bro? Anyway, you're mixing it again. Now it is time for the eggs. Do not ask me how many eggs I had to use. I do not remember. Flour. My sister's worst nightmare. Now I'm measuring out the flour. Now it's time for the cocoa powder because I didn't have enough chocolate in it anyway, so I had to add more. And then is the baking powder. After mixing that all up, we are now lining the tray so I can put it into the tray so it can go into the oven to cook. Now it's time to actually pour the mixture into the baking tray, so then it can go into the oven to cook. I put the timer on my watch this time. Sad to know we have betrayed the piggy timer. Now a refreshments break of Monster. I very speedily did the washing up. Look at me go. Now it's time to make the second bit brownie that goes on top. This is me measuring out the butter and not getting it on the countertop this time. The butter now went into the bowl. I have no clue why I made that face, but oh well. I guess that's a past memory forgotten. Can't lie, me doing voiceovers sounds so monotone and so bored. I just absolutely have no clue what's going on. Now it's time for caster sugar and more Monster. Someone would think I'm addicted to it. In goes that caster sugar. How satisfying that was. And you have to mix them together. However, this time the butter was not melted, so most certainly took a long time. Now time for the vanilla. I think this has to be my favourite baking ingredient to ever exist. And now we're back onto eggs. Again. More eggs. Why is there so much eggs in baking? Don't know why that was so difficult to say. Now onto more flour. Gosh, my sister would really hate this. She does not like flour. You know why? She can't eat it. Sorry. In that goes with more baking powder. And me struggling to open the baking powder thing. I actually hate that thing. It's the most difficult bottle tub thing to open in the world. This is what backup mics are for. You're welcome. Always have backup mics. Yes, do have backup mics. And also please check your mics before you start filming. I mean, to be honest, I haven't charged them since I got them, so I'm surprised it's actually lasted this long. It hadn't lasted that long. You just didn't realise and forgot to check that the mic actually worked. I think I basically am making like chocolate, like a brownie and a cookie. What's that called? But like not together as one thing, like separate. Wonderful. Great. Looks like cookie dough, tastes like cookie dough. Basically is cookie dough. Pour it over. It's a bit too solid to pour over, bro. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Okay, now I can add this on top. It looks like a brownie. Need help. Need to be careful about this, but also quick, because it's hot. Broke the top. No. Melting.
like rapidly. I mean, at least it's kind of making it a little bit easier to like spread. That's the word. Let's chuck it back in. And it goes in. Oh, I got it on the table. For 30 minutes. We'll get the pig timer out for this one.
Yay, we're back from the betrayal. What, you think I'd disappeared? You think you could have gotten rid of me that easily, bro?
I know you guys missed her. Missed her dearly, and I know. Oh. Oh. Wonderful. Now enjoy.
It's arson.
Is it gonna ding or not? I don't actually think it is. Well, that's just rude. There you go. Ta-da! We're done. Now I gotta take the thing out the oven. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Fingers crossed it's done. I don't think it's done. It's gonna need a bit longer. Oh my gosh. Solid. I mean, it will continue cooking, right? I'm just gonna take it. There's a hole in the top. Look at this. Wow. There you go. Just got a hole at the top. Oh! What the hell just snapped? Oh no! Oh, I just broke my tripod. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That's not very good. That's not good. I need that. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it to cook a bit longer. Because it's still hot, it will just continue cooking, I think. Oh, I could turn the oven off. That's a good idea. I was worried it wasn't going to be like tall enough. But it's perfectly fine. That should be better. It's going to be too high now, isn't it? Oh, that's way too high. Whoa, why is it gone blue? Why are we blue? Oh, okay, we're back to normal. There we go. Bruh. I have been getting through this since like 2, maybe 3 o'clock. And it's now like 20 to 5. Screech. Oh, it's kind of collapsing on itself. The oven's hot. The oven's not on, but it's hot. So I'm just gonna like put it back in. You can do it like 5 minutes in there and then I'll take it out. I ate some cucumber, did the washing up, emptied the dishwasher, loaded the dishwasher, gave some cucumber to the dog. I hear you through there, bro. You're huffing and puffing, bro. She does that all the time. I still need to sneeze. Oh, the amount of sugar in that actually kind of making me feel a bit ill. Next time I'll get the like 0 sugar one or whatever. Cause, oh my gosh, it's like drinking syrup, like bubblegum syrup. It's really sweet. So I have to have some cucumber to like balance it out, bro. Done. I mean, I'm still gonna put the bottle on my shelf. Gotta make a collection. For each new flavour I try, I'm gonna put it on my shelf. You know what? It reminds me of the sweetness of it. Reminds me of Prime. Like, you know, the Prime energy drinks. Too much sugar. If I am not awake at 8 o'clock tonight, then caffeine has no effect on me. But they got these like dough things, so you don't have to make dough. They're actually pretty good. A Northern Dough Co. You kind of put them in the freezer, and then when you want them, you kind of. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna leave this at room temperature now till dinner time because I didn't realize it said defrosted at night. I'll be having dinner a little bit later tonight. A little bit later than anticipated because it's 4:45, and I was gonna make them for 6, so I have to wait till later. Oh my gosh, that monster's made me go burpee. Ew. But the problem with fizzy drinks, they make me go burpee. Like at work last night, I had about 3 lemonades during work. Oh my gosh, that was not great. Okay, this is done now. It's kind of cracked, gone a bit weird, but oh well. I'm gonna leave it on like a cool rack for like half an hour, but I think I'm gonna leave it in this for like at least 10 minutes just to, you know. So 10-minute timer, and I'm gonna do some more painting because that's what I was doing upstairs. I'm gonna come back down once it's done. Yeah, that's good. Yay. So it tastes sweet. I'm gonna go put this on my shelf. Go do some painting. I'll be back in like 10 minutes to put it onto a cool rack. Oh, poor Mike just got squished.